Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with using Liquality. Liquality, found at https://www.liquality.io, offers a compelling platform for managing and swapping cryptocurrencies. This cross-chain browser extension and wallet allows users to interact with various blockchains without relying on centralized exchanges. One of its most attractive features is the ability to swap tokens across different chains, often with atomic swaps, minimizing the need for intermediaries and reducing associated fees. This decentralized approach puts users in control of their private keys, enhancing security and privacy. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, offering flexibility for users with diverse portfolios. Beyond simple swapping, Liquality also facilitates other functionalities like lending and borrowing, further expanding its utility within the decentralized finance (DeFi) ecosystem. The browser extension format makes it readily accessible and convenient for everyday use. Furthermore, Liquality prioritizes user experience with a clean and intuitive interface, making it straightforward even for those newer to the world of crypto. Liquality's focus on decentralization aligns with the core principles of the blockchain philosophy, empowering users with greater autonomy over their digital assets. By eliminating the reliance on centralized entities, Liquality aims to create a more secure and transparent financial landscape. While the platform offers numerous advantages, it's important to note that the DeFi space is constantly evolving, and users should always conduct their own research and exercise caution. Understanding the risks associated with cryptocurrency management and self-custody is crucial. Liquality provides a valuable tool for navigating the decentralized world, offering a streamlined and user-friendly experience for managing and swapping digital assets. Exploring their website at https://www.liquality.io will provide more in-depth information about their features and functionalities. Remember, this is just my personal experience, and your experience may vary. Be sure to do your own research before making any financial decisions.